what we will do. So we'll see what was the last work which has done. So we'll see the last work what we have done. So let's go to the location. I can easily find out here. So the class one, I think. Yeah. So the class one. Let me open the class one and let me see what work we have done in the last section. Okay. What work we have done. So what we have done in the last section. So yesterday we have seen the country, how to represent the country using the normal map, using the field map, using the shape map, and states using the normal map, and states highest using the sum of sales. Their sales value, if we add them, for every state will get a value. Based on that particular value, the size of the state will be defined. And also this one, field map. And also I told you clearly about the number card. Clearly about number card. So today what we will do? So everything I will do in one sheet. So I will create the sheets. So entire Power BI will be maintained in one sheet. Okay. So or else you can rename them daily. So what we will do is, I will close them. I will close them. I don't want to save anything as of now. I will copy it. Again I will paste it. Okay. And I will rename the. So I will rename to class 2. Today we are going to use class 2. Okay. So yesterday's work will be present in this file. Today's work will be present in this one. So the continuation, so that it will be very clear. So day 1 what we are doing, day 2 what we are doing, day 3 what we are doing. So day 1 work will be also included in the day 2. Day 2 work will be also included in the day 3. Like that, we'll keep the entire Power BI in one sheet. So we are already having the data, and till number cards we have completed. So today we will be working completely. So we will be working completely with the first 6, as I mentioned yesterday, with the first 6 visualizations, which are very, very important. Okay. First 6. Let's work on the first 6. So to work on the first 6, you need to understand 2 things here. In Power BI, not only in Power BI, even if you pick the tableau also, no problem. So in Power BI, we are having 2 things. One is stacked, one is clustered. Okay. One is stacked concept, one is clustered concept. Okay. One is stacked concept and another one is clustered concept. So here we need to keep one thing in mind. Stacked or clustered, anything you take, you have 2 different operations. One is stacked bar chart. Second one is stacked column chart. Okay, column chart. So we will be having 2 operations: stacked bar chart, stacked column chart. Okay, if you pick the clustered also, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart. Okay, clustered chart, clustered column chart. So you will be having 2 things. If you see here, what you have to do is first target first 4. Okay, total 6 is there. Last 2 we'll discuss later. First 4. First 4, if I take my mouse cursor to the first one, see, stacked bar chart. Next one, stacked column chart. Next one, clustered bar chart. Next one, clustered column chart. So a lot of students definitely will confuse in these concepts. I'm telling you, will confuse in these concepts. So here the point is why they are confusing all the things secondary. So I will tell you very clearly. You need to keep only one thing in mind. Either it is a stacked concept or it is a clustered concept, doesn't matter. Either it is a stacked concept or clustered concept, doesn't matter. The process is same. What is the process is? Bar chart means, I'm telling you, bar chart means the bars will be represented horizontally. The bars will be represented horizontally, I'm telling you. Okay, horizontally. Column chart means the bars will be represented vertically. The bars will be represented vertically. Okay, so here also same story. Clustered bar chart. Bar chart means horizontally. Bar chart means horizontally. Plus column chart means X. Okay, like this. Okay, this you need to understand. So you can ask me one question, sir. Stacked bar chart, clustered bar chart, both are looking same only, no? Yes, both look same, but one minor difference will be there. I will tell you. Minor difference will be there. I will tell you about it. Don't worry. So what I will do is I will open the mathematical file because I already told you visualization is not the point. First, you need to understand. You need to understand the mathematics, how it works on the back end, how it works on the back end. That we need to understand. So let me write some mathematics for that. Somewhere, let me pick somewhere. Somewhere I will write here. Yeah. So what I will do is here I will keep one thing. Especially Power BI. I'll create a new section. So the first one, understanding parts. Okay, understanding the concept which is known as a parts. Close it. Okay, understanding the parts. So I already told you just now what we are having. We are having two different things. Two different things. I don't know whether you are noting down on all these are important. Please don't note down in the notebooks. So there are two types of bars. So bars is represented with parts are represented in two different ways. Bars are represented with two different ways. So one is stacked. Second one is clustered. Second one is clustered. So stacked also is divided into two different types. Stacked bar chart, column chart. Okay, clustered bar chart. Okay, clustered column chart. Okay, so this is the structure. This is the structure. So what I will tell you is first we will understand what is stacked bar chart, how the visualizations will come. What is stacked column chart? Then we will see clustered bar chart, how it will come. Clustered column chart, how it will come, we'll see. Then I will tell you the difference between stacked and clustered. Stacked and clustered. So for that purpose, definitely I already told you, I can't explain all of the visualization with this data. Why? Because this data is very big. Almost 10,000 rows are there. This data is really, really big. You can't learn the visualizations theoretically or manually or mathematically on top of this data. That is for sure. That is for sure. So what I will do is I will take my own data. You need to understand it. Normal a sample data I will take. A sample data I am taking. For example, I will take 3 columns. Okay. I will take 3 columns here. So let me divide the, let me write the column names on the top as usual. Okay, column names. What are the column names? What are the column names here? The column names are what? Let's say, for example, I'm going to take a region. Okay, for example, I'm going to take a region. And the second one, what you are going to do is, I'm going to take gender. For example, gender. And I'm going to take sales. Okay, suppose sales. So this is the data, for example, I'm taking. So how I will do is, for example, see, I'm going to take region East. Okay, East region, West region, South region. East region, West region, South region, and East region I'm taking. Total how many rows I'm taking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 7 rows I'm taking. Total 7 rows I'm taking. Okay, total 7 I'm taking. Next gender I will take something like gender I will take male. Okay, gender I will take male, female. I will take male. I will take female. Okay, I will take female. I will take male. Or else this also let me take female. So Wests, we are getting both females. Let me take male here. Some random data I'm taking. Male, female, and suppose female I'm taking. Female I'm taking. Sales 120 rupees, 123 rupees, 144, 189, 137, 146, and 89. Suppose guys, this is the data. Okay, this is the data. Now, individually, I will plot the visualizations. Okay, individually, I will plot the visualizations. For example, first one stacked bar chart. Okay, stacked bar chart, I'm telling you. So when you want to represent the bar, if you go to the internet anywhere, if you take anything in the internet also, let's say bar chart, generally bar chart. Generally, what is the meaning of bar chart? That we need to keep it in mind. Generally, if you see, guys, if you see any bar chart in the internet also, there are two different things will be there. One is the number data, which means numerical data will be there, categorical data will be there. So the combination of categorical data and numerical data, then only you can create the bar. So very simple. Numerical data means the columns which are having numbers. Okay, categorical data means the columns which are having the text. Okay, which are having the text. So come back. So if I come back to here, so this is a numerical data, which means we have the numbers. This two is the categorical data where you are having the category, text. Okay, categorical data. So here the point is stacked bar chart. Here the point is stacked bar chart. What is the meaning of stacked bar chart? Here the point is stacked bar chart. Very simple. I told you bar chart will work with one. Listen very carefully. Bar chart will work with one numerical data and one categorical data. So stacked bar chart. See what I will do is I will take one line. I will take one line. I will take another line. I will take another line. Okay, two lines I am taking. I am taking two lines. Okay, I'm going to take it little top. Okay, two lines I am taking. Okay, sir, you are taking two lines, fine. So what I will do is this I will consider as x-axis. This I will consider as y-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. So if you see what we are discussing, stacked bar chart. Stacked bar chart visualization is how? See, stacked bar chart. I already told you bar chart means the bars will be represented horizontally. So now you tell me guys, in the x-axis number should be there or in the y-axis number should be there. So bar chart means representing the bars horizontally. So if you want to represent the bars like this, the numbers, the numerical data should be on the x-axis or in the y-axis.
X-axis, sir.
X-axis.
Yes. In the x-axis, the numerical data should be there. In the y-axis, the categorical data. Yes, categorical data will be there. Which means what I'm going to do is I want to find out each region how many sales are going. I want to find out each region how many sales are going. I want to find out. So here what you have to do is very simple logic. Very simple logic. In the region column, what are the unique labels? Tell me, guys. In the region column, what are the unique labels? Can you tell me?
East, west, south, sir.
East, west, and south. These are the unique labels. These are the unique labels. So I am writing here east. I am writing here east. I am writing here west. I am writing here south. Okay. I am writing here south. Okay. I am writing here. So east, west, and south I am writing. So each region, you want to find the sales. You want to find the sale. So my question for you is, you please add all these values. I'm explaining only one time at perfectly how it will come. You add all these values, 120 plus 123 plus 144. So I will take a calculator if I'm not wrong. So 120 plus 123 plus, sorry, come again. How much?
948.
Thank you. So the value what we got is here 9 total is 948. Okay. Total sale. Total if I add the sales I'm getting 948. So here what you have to do is you need to start from zero. What is the maximum value? Maximum value should be 948. So between you need to write like 0 to 100, 100, 200, 300, okay, 400, 500, some range, 600, 700, 800, 1000, something like that, okay, something like that. This is the range. Now you tell me, what is the sum of sales in the East area? What are the sum of sales in the East area? For example,
308, sir.
308. So what we have to do?
309.
Yes, what we have to do? East area some value 120, East area some value 189, and again East area some value is 89. If we add this 120 plus 189 plus 89, how much we are getting?
398, sir.
398 we will be getting. If we are getting 398 means somewhere it will be here, yes or no? Here. So I will take the bar till there, I will make the line. So you can compare. How to compare? Very simple. How to compare? If you just compare like this straightly, I am writing randomly, just to see. If you compare the bar, the value will be compared. Okay, value will be compared. So total sale is how much? Total sale is how much we are getting? 398 for East. Same thing you do for the West, any one of you? So
260, sir.
So West area, so East area, 398 for area, 260 for West area. 260
Yes.
means it will be 260 means it will be between 200 to 300. 200 to 300. Okay. So West area. So West area is 260 means it will be between 200 to 300. It will be between 200 to 300. So 200 to 60 means it will be between 200 to 300. Okay. 200 to 300. Next one, South.
290.
Next one,
290.
290. So 290 means it will be close to here. Okay. 290. So you need to write here very clearly. So 260 and 290. Simple. This is stacked bar chart. If you represent here, these much mathematics will be done by Power BI. Analysis mathematics will be done by completely Power BI. So all these operations will be done by Power BI only. Okay. So how you can implement? Same. Okay. I'm going to write here. Stacked. Okay. Stacked bar chart. Okay. Stacked bar chart. See, I'm going to click on the stacked bar chart. I'm going to drag here. I'm going to set up the things. I'm going to set up the things. I'm going to keep it here. I'm going to keep it here. Okay. I'm going to keep it here. Okay. So the value should be on the x-axis. The categorical labels should be on the y-axis. So see, the region I will take on the y-axis. Their sales I will take on the x-axis. Guys, bar is coming or not? Tell me. Bar is coming or not? Simply. How it is coming? Find the mathematics here. Find the mathematics here. Simple. Okay, bar is coming. So here the point is, if you want to do any makeup on top of it, go to the makeup area, the y-axis. So y means, so y side whatever the values are there, whatever the things are there in the y, whatever the things that are there in the Why? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to change the font. See, I'm going to change the font. I'm going to bold them. I'm going to bold them. Next one. Next one. If I close it, x-axis. X-axis. So in the x-axis, what I'm going to do is I will change them. See, I will change them. I will bold them. You can see, I will bold them. After that, display units, you can ask me, sir, x-axis values are showing in a American currency, like a millions. I will change them to thousands. See, I will change them to thousands. If you want to change the color, I'll click the color, I will change yellow color. See, orange color. Orange color will come. If you want to increase the size, you please increase the size and close it. X, Y axis and X axis, you please close it. Next, what you want? Zoom slider. Zoom slider means like this kind of operations, like you can increase, you can decrease like this, but no need of zoom slider. So you want all the values, no? Sir, you are writing not only bar, you are writing the total sale value also. You are writing now how to get it. Very simple. Click on the data label. See, value is coming. Each region, the sales value is coming. Total sum of sales value. So if we want to increase those values, go inside. So change that to another font. Increase the value. Increase the value and bold them. And bold them. If you want to change the color, please change the color. Please change the color. So a lot of things like title. What is the, if you want to give the title, give the title. See, sum of sales, sum of sales, sum of sales, sum of sales. Title, but no need. On background, if you want to add, see, slightly background also you can add for the values. The question is here, sir, all the things, if you see, what's my point is, all the bars, west area, east area, central area, south area, all the bars are in the blue color. So individually, can we give the colors, guys? Individually, can we give the colors?
Yes,
I
sir.
already told you, you can play with it, like whatever you want, you can do it. Whatever you can. Go to the makeup area, you can see the bars. In the bars, see, the option is all are selected as a blue color. All are selected as a blue color. Now what I will do, I will select the west. West, I want orange color. Okay. Next, east. East, I want yellow color. Okay. Dark yellow color, little bit dark. Okay, yellow color. Next, okay. Next, south. South, I want what any color, whatever you like. This color. Okay. Individually, I am selecting the colors. Transparency means if you increase, see, you are selecting the south. Select all. In transparency means color will be reduced slightly. The color will be reducing. The color will be reduced slightly. Okay, but I don't need that one. Border means for every bar, backside little bit border will come. See, a slight border. Can you see the difference? Bar, little bit border kind of thing will come. Little bit border kind of thing will come. Okay, ribbons not belongs to this one, so don't go with the ribbons as of now. I will explain ribbons later. Don't go with the ribbon. So this is what chart, guys? Stacked bar chart. Same content I will copy. Okay, I will copy. I will paste here. I will paste here same content. Okay, same content I will copy. I will paste here. Wherever there is a bar, I will keep column. Okay, stacked column chart. Okay, so column chart means what? The bars will represented vertically. The bars will be represented vertically, which means, please remove this one. Please remove this one. In the x-axis, please. Okay, all the things, please remove. Okay. So I'm going to give the line. I'm going to give the line, x-axis line. The straight line also you can give, that's not an issue. So I'm going to give a straight line. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, like, let's say x-axis. Okay. x-axis and here y-axis. Okay. So column chart means what will be the labels will be on x-axis. East, west, and south. East, west, and south. Same y-axis values, right? From 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 800, suppose 900,000. Total how many is it? 998 something is there. Till there you write the lines. So east is how much, guys? Tell me. East is how much? East is 398. So 398. Still here east is 398. Next west is 2. Sorry, I have written east west 260, 290, no? 260. So 260 and 290, little bit top. 290. Same. You tell me, guys, what is the difference between stacked bar chart and stacked column chart? The only difference is bar. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I mean, rotating them. This is
Horizontal and
labels
vertical.
vertical. Yes, small change. So come here. Come here. I will open a new chat. I'm going to give the name stacked column. Okay. Stacked bar chart and stacked column chart. So again, instead of doing the operation, stacked bar chart is already there. Stacked bar chart is already there. So I want to copy this visualization. What I have to do? Guys, tell me. This visualization, see, I already told you, this visualization belongs to stacked bar chart. You can see, guys, can you pick here? Can you see? It is highlighting. Yes or no? It is highlighting. So if I click on this visualization, see, this is highlighting, which means this visualization belongs to stacked bar chart. I want to copy this visualization. Right click on the visualization, copy visual. I just want to copy the visual. Come here, paste here, same visualization, paste here, see, pasting. Now tell me, guys, this is stacked bar chart. This is also stacked bar chart or not? Yes or no? It is highlighting or not? Both are stacked bar chart. I just copied and pasted here. Here I'm stacked bar chart, I'm copying and I'm pasting here. Okay, now this is also stacked bar chart only. But this is stacked bar chart. Now I will click on stacked column chart. Please convert this visualization into stacked column chart. See, changed or not?
Yes, sir.
So instead of again taking manually, if you want to do, you please do it. Like, see, select it, drag it in the x-axis labels, region give on the x-axis, sales give on the y-axis, increase the size. Same story. Go there, makeup area, all the makeup you do. Okay, so already we have done. That's why from here I copied. This is the bar chart. I pasted here, column chart, bar chart. I pasted here in the column chart, and I converted. Simple. Okay, understood now, guys? Both the difference. Now what is the next one? Clustered bar chart, clustered column chart. Listen very carefully here. So I will copy this visualization. Okay, I will copy this one. Okay, I will copy this one. I will paste here. Here only one change I will do. Okay, here only one change. What is the change, sir? The change is nothing but clustered bar chart. Okay, just I am changing the name. You don't believe me, see, but I will tell you the difference. Don't worry. See here. Rename clustered bar chart. Which means third one. See, third one. Clustered bar chart means third one. So stacked bar chart is already there. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste here. Guys, this is stacked bar chart. I'm right. The visualization is normally a stacked bar chart. But if I click on the clustered bar chart, do you see any difference? See, like copy paste only, no? How I am copying here, how I am pasting here. Same thing, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So see, stacked bar chart, clustered bar chart. Both are same. So stacked column chart and the clustered column chart also will be same. See, stacked column chart. Okay, stacked column chart. Same thing. Sorry, this is clustered, right? Clustered. Clustered. Clustered column chart. Okay, clustered column chart. Okay, clustered column chart. So what I'm going to do is, here, let's say clustered column chart, stacked column chart is there now. Copy the visualization, come here, paste it here, paste it here. This, if you click on the visualization, which one is highlighting here? Stacked column chart. Stacked column chart, if you convert to the clustered column chart, both are same, no guys? Yes or no? See, stacked column chart, if you select, you copy them, if you come down, if you keep it here, just what is the difference? The name. Now immediately will ask me one question. Sir, if both are same means why? Sir, no? Both are same means why? So I will explain you those things also, don't worry. So this is the four different charts. Four different charts. Here you need to keep only one thing in mind. One thing in mind, that is stacked and clustered. Both are having bar chart, column chart. Bar chart, column chart. Bar chart means bars will be horizontally. Column chart means vertically. Here also bar chart means horizontally. Here also vertically. Okay, then can you tell me the difference, sir? The difference between stacked one and the clustered? Can you tell me the difference between these two?
The bars
So
are
when you can find the difference between these? Yes, please.
the bars are thicker.
I didn't get your voice. Can you please repeat it once again, buddy?
So bars are thicker
No.
than the
You can make,
stacked.
you can make the thickness here also wherever you want. It's not
Okay.
about thickness. I will
Okay.
tell you difference. Okay, difference. Difference. Difference in stacked and difference. I'm just writing like difference. Okay, I'm just writing something like difference. Simply difference. Okay. So what is the meaning of what difference? Can you tell me, sir? See, I will write here. Listen very carefully. One of the most, because in the real time, most of the people use they will use these differences only. What I will tell you is difference between stacked and cluster. Okay, so difference between stacked and cluster. Stacked and cluster. So what I say is, everyone you do one thing. So in the cluster, two charts are there: clustered bar chart, clustered column chart. In the stacked also, bar chart is there and column chart is there. Anyone in that, anyone in this, you select. For example, stacked bar chart I am selecting. Okay, if you understand bar, automatically the reverse of it is nothing but column chart, no? So anyone. So what I am doing here is stacked bar chart I am selecting. Okay, stacked bar chart I am selecting. So see here, stacked bar chart. Okay, and what I will do is I will do one more thing also for you. I will reduce the size. I will reduce the size. Okay, I will reduce the size. Next, I'll make the line here. I will make the line here. Okay, next, stacked bar chart you copy, no? Same thing, clustered bar chart also you copy. Okay, clustered bar chart also you just please copy, you paste here. What you do, you just adjust the size and make it here for better understanding purpose. Okay, yeah, so little bit, yeah. Okay, now tell me the difference, sir. Now everyone will ask me what is the difference, sir. So I will explain you. Yeah. Okay. See the difference between stacked and clustered when you can see. When you can see is whenever you have the legend. You have the legend. What is the meaning of legend, guys? Tell me. What is the meaning of legend? Legend is nothing but already if we have a visualization, on top of that visualization, if you want to find out some more information, that is known as a legend. Am I right? Already you have the visualization. Okay. So if you want to get more information on that, then it is known as a legend. Now, if you want to understand the difference, I request everyone to get the data. So whatever the data that we have done, I requested you to get the data. Let me remove these circles. Okay. So this data also I will collect, guys. This data I will copy. I'll come down. I will keep the data here. Okay. I'll keep the data here. Okay. Okay. Now we know each region sales using the stacked bar chart, clustered bar chart is represented fine. Now in the each region, male, how many males are doing the sales? How many females are doing the sales? I want to find out. Which means in the east region, total sales are 398 fine. But in the east region, males are doing how many sales and females are doing how many sales? Tell me. So what you will do? First of all, you will target only east area. First of all, you will target only east area. You will target east area. So in the east area, so see, I will write the mathematics here. East area, okay? East area, male. Whenever in the east area, male is 120 is there. Okay, done. Whenever in the east area, female is how much is there, guys? 189. Okay. Next, in the east area, again female is there. In the east area, again female is there, which is 89. So both female you add 189 plus 89 how much? 189 plus 89 how much? 89, 9, 18, 88, 16, 17, 278. Yes or no? Total 278. So what is the meaning of it? In the east area, okay, in the east area, males are 120. In the east area, females also 278. You add both. 8, 9, 3. Guys, 398 matching or not with the total one? Matching or not? Total one.
Yes.
Okay. So what I will do, I will remove these things here. I will remove here. So you need to, if you keep the legend, this is what happens. If you keep the legend, this is what happens, which means you will clearly write here. What you will write? So where you will clearly write. So the male in the east area, the males are doing 120. The female is doing 278. Clearly you will write. You will write clearly. Okay. Next one. In the west area, please find out. In the west area, female is how much? 123. In the west area, male is how much? 137. Simple. Okay, another things are not there. 123, 137. If you add, you will get 260. Okay, in the west area, male is 137, female is 123. Okay, if you add this two, you will get 260. In the south, please go with the south. South male is 144, south female is 146, 144 and 146. So south male is 144, female is 146. Okay, 146. Simple. Okay, this is if you add the legend. If you add the legend in a single bar, the data will be splitted. This is stacked bar chart. Same concept if you apply in the clustered bar chart, what happens? Same concept, legend concept if you apply in the clustered bar chart, what happens? Very simple. Total you know 398. Total as a user you know it is a 398. But males are how many guys? In the east area, male is how much? 120. Male is how much? 120. Female is 278. So instead of in a single bar dividing them into pieces, clustered, which means in the east area, male is 120, female is 278. If you add both, you will get 398. So individual it will show. Instead of splitting the one single bar into pieces, individual bars will be created for the east. Individual bars will be created for the east. Here also, let's say west area, 123, 137 male, 123 female. So here I will write like this. Let's say female 123, same male 137. Okay, 137. So here next one. Next one is south area. So what is the meaning of south area? So in the south area, what is the information? Male 144, female 146. So male suppose 144, female 146. This belongs to female. This belongs to male 144, 146. Okay, 144 and 140. Instead of splitting the single bar into pieces, you can individually write the bars for male and female in the east area. This is the difference between stacked bar chart and clustered bar chart. Okay, stacked column chart means this visualization will be reversed. Clustered bar chart, column chart means this visualization will be reversed. Very, very simple. Guys, understood the difference? Understood the complete explanation, math explanation of these charts?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so go to here. Here difference is there. So what I will do is, first of all, let's select stacked bar chart is there, no? Stacked bar chart is there, no? I will going to copy. I'm going to copy. I will paste here. I'm paste here. Okay? This is stacked bar chart. So each region, their sales is there. If I add for this, what I will add is in the west region is there, east is there, central is there, south is there. In the west region, consumer people are making how many sales? Corporate people are making how many sales? Home offices people are making how many sales? Individually show me. In the west area, individually show me the sales. Okay. In the east area, individually show me the sales. So same thing, same concept. So in the west area, wherever there is consumer, wherever there is a consumer, for example, west area consumer, there's those sales value you count and you do addition. Same how I am comparing and how I am doing here, same mathematics, but it's a very big data. So you can see here for this visualization, legend is there. Legend is there. I will take the segment, which means consumer, corporate, and home office. I'll keep it there. Simple, see? Simple. You can see here, light blue color belongs to consumer, dark blue belongs to corporate, orange color belongs to home office. So in the west area, 363K sales belongs to consumer people, 226K sales are coming from corporate people, 137K sales are coming from home office people. So individually I presented. So if you want to do the makeup, same story, I don't know. Click on it, go to the makeup area, legend is activated. So where you want to activate this legend, I want to make it in the top center. So it will come to the center. If you want to play anything with the text, okay, with the text, you play, you bold them, okay, you bold them. Next, after that, bars are there. Like in the legend only, if you want to do anything, for example, bars are there. So individually see, consumer is there. Consumer, what color you want to give? Tell me. Sir, consumer, I want to give yellow color. You please give yellow color. Let's say corporate. For the, I don't know the color combinations. You give whatever you want. Okay. Let's say, sir, we take the black color. No, worst color this is. Let's take some other color, light color. Any other color you can take, I'm telling. Okay. Okay. I think yellow is not so good here. So any color you take, light one. So, okay. this, and last one if you in any color, whatever the combination that you like. I don't know about the colors. See, some colors I am selecting, some colors I am selecting individually. So see, and here close it, close the legend. You can say total labels are there. If I add the total labels, see, in the west area, total sales are 725.4K. In that 725.46K, consumer people are making how many sales is mentioned here. Corporate is making how many sales. Home offices is making how many sales is clearly mentioned. If you add this 363, 226, 137. If you add, you will get this total value, total sales value in the west area. So each region, each category of the people, sales value clearly mentioned. That is what stacked bar chart. Stacked bar chart. Let me copy the visualization. Let me go here. Let me paste the visualization. We know it is a stacked bar chart. If I click on the stacked column chart, it will reverse. It will just reverse. Okay, it will just reverse. Now what I am going to do is, okay, yes, underscore 6, some name I am given. Next one you see guys, I am going to paste it here. I am going to paste it. So you know this is a bar chart. First of all, you know bars are represented horizontally. It is a bar chart. It is a bar chart. You know, first of all, it is a bar chart. So in the single bar, the legend is splitting. So it belongs to stack. It belongs to stack. Now see this stacked bar chart. If I convert to clustered bar chart. Now guys see. Now you see. That is the difference I mentioned here clearly. I mentioned here clearly. So east area, consumer, corporate and home office. East area individually, central area individually, south area also individually is mentioning, is clearly mentioning. So that is the difference between, see, this is a single bar, this in a individual bars. Same thing, let's say you copy this visualization, for example, let me rename.
Excuse me, sir.
Cluster. Yes.
Sir, can I give the segment name on the bar? The bar, like consumer, it is written on the bar.
Go to the visualization, which means the makeup area. Data labels are there. Let's see, for example, you need to represent the names here. So which means the legend. So in the legend, title is on. Text means the text which we are writing. Okay, top center, this is fine. Okay, so data labels, values are on. No, only values are there. Title if I on, see, got it? Title. So you change the font if you need it. Change the font, increase the size, bold them if needed. Got it? Got it, buddy? Adit?
Yes, yes.
Okay. This, okay. This is a clustered bar chart. Clustered
Sir,
bar chart. Right click.
Can we
Yes.
those names
please.
into the middle of the bar?
Middle of the bar. Go to there. Where is the legend? The legend. I think not in the legend. In the data labels. In the data labels. Series name. Okay. Series names. We are writing. The title I am owning. Title I am owning. The font is there. Show back as. Background is there. No, content, whatever it is. Custom is what you can write. Or series name is whatever it is mentioned. Okay, font is there. Show blank as no. This one is not fully. Detail also, it won't give anything. Background is slightly background is coming. No. That option is not there. I think here we can apply data labels. Let's say consumer, corporate or home of consumer if I pick. Consumer if I pick. So inside end, for example, see. Inside end, or else you do one thing, all you select, go to here inside end. Got it? Slowly we need to check one by one option, something will be available.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is generally class.
Sir, we can do this in Excel also. Then
Can
why
do it
Power
in-
BI?
Can do it in Excel also, but Power BI, the reports you can connect with the databases. You can collect the data from the databases. Okay. You can do the API calls. Lot
We
of
can
things
do,
are there in
I
the
mean, we
Power.
can collect data in Excel also.
You can connect. That's what I'm saying, buddy. So let's say how many operations you will do in the Excel. All the operations are available. So it is a time saving process in the Excel, no? How many formulas you need to keep in mind, mathematical formulas or geographical things. Okay. Here what you are doing, very simply, drag and dropping. How much time save process? Okay. There also you can do, like here also you can connect with the databases. Okay. Here you can publicly publish the reports to anyone. Okay. And you can get the feedbacks for the reports from anyone. From the community side, you can get the reports. From the normal people also, you can get the reports. You can use these dashboards in any area, like in the GitHub area, anywhere. So a lot of users are there. Okay.
So I get that additional advantage point. So whatever we did yesterday, maps, interactive maps, the breakups, those things could not be done into Excel. But the bar representation of diagram, I mean, which is data, which we are doing in this lecture, can be done in Excel also. So I
Yes.
just wanted to understand. I mean, apart from those advantages that the user can use it from this side, that side, this, there is no particular advantage of doing it in Power BI. No.
No. See, let's say, for example, if you want to collect only the data belongs to one particular state, one particular category, can you create the additional pop-ups in the Excel? Additional pop-ups in the Excel?
No, for one category, one column, one row, no, we cannot do that.
But here all the things are possible.
Okay,
Okay, so this is the
got it,
clustered.
sir.
So, sir, these are called the dashboard that are
No, this is not the dashboard. This is not as a reports.
okay.
These are reports, sir. These are not dashboards.
This is a report.
What you showed at the end yesterday by googling was dashboard.
Yes.
This is slide representation of data. So this will come as one slide of PPT.
Yes. Okay. So this is a report. We'll see the dashboard at the end. Okay. So let's say this is a clustered bar charts. So clustered bar chart is mentioned here. If I go here, if I rename some name I am giving, clustered SS, some names I am giving. So copy this visualization. Okay, just copy the visualization. Okay, come here, paste here. Come here, paste here. If I click on the clustered, this is a bar chart, clustered bar chart. If I click on it, clustered column chart, simple. Clustered column chart. Okay, clustered bar chart and clustered column chart. If you want to get the values, what you will do, go to the makeup area, See, all the things are added, but due to the size, due to the increasing in the size of the text, it is not available. So what you do is go to the values and reduce the sizes. Okay, reduce the sizes, see, then it will be available. Okay, reduce the sizes and also individually. For example, you mentioned here title, individually you do it. Okay, the values will be available. So here go to the legend. Okay, that this is belongs to text area. No, come to the data labels. In the data labels, you are selecting all the legends you are selecting, and horizontally, vertical. You see, vertically means vertically will come the values. Horizontal means horizontally will come. Those text whatever you are writing, please reduce the size. Okay, see, reduce the size. If you want, you can make it outside. Then it will be visible. So when it will be visible properly, inside end or like outside end, I think outside end will be looks very, very good. Then you can increase the size for that. Okay, then you can increase the size. So it's a size problem. Like you just go there and manage the size whatever you want. So this is a small difference. The small difference between stacked bar chart and clustered bar chart. What is the concept here? Main concept is nothing but very, very simple. Bar charts means horizontally, column charts means vertically. The difference between these two is only the legend that I clearly explained here. So stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart. The difference between them you can mention only with the help of legend. Only with the help of legend you can mention them. Understood? Guys, you understood the first four, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So last
Sir?
two is there here. Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Sir, here we lost our segment, sir.
Come
Consumer.
again. Consumer.
Consumer is not appearing, sir.
That's
Some
what
data
I
is
told.
missing.
Data is
Yeah,
not
in
missing.
that time, what we have to do?
Data is not missing. That's what I mentioned. You need to go to the visualization area. Little bit of sound. Okay, go to the visualization area. Go to the data labels. Reduce the size. So if you reduce the size, the name will be visible. Okay, we have given the big sizes, no? That's why it is not visible. Okay.
Okay.
So what other options are in Legend? How many options? Other than
Sorry.
in Legend, how many options are there in Legend?
What options?
Yes, yes.
The legend. What are legend means? What legend means? Not this one. Legend means this one. Okay, so text will be there, size will be there, color will be there. So last two, if you see, let's say the last two, this one. So if you, first of all, we need to get the names of it. We need to get the names of it. Let's say if I take my mouse cursor there, see 100% stacked bar chart, 100% stacked column chart. Okay, 100% stacked bar chart, 100% stacked column chart. Simple. But representing the data in percentages. Or representing the data in percentages. For example, see, I'm going to select the stacked bar chart. Stacked bar chart. You know very well already, I told you. Stacked bar chart. Stacked means labels should be on the y-axis and numbers should be on the x-axis. So labels, each region, their sales on the x-axis. So the beauty here is very simple. The beauty here is each region. So each region data will be treated like 100% only. Each region data will be treated like 100% only. Okay, 100% only. So for example, West region data, total West region data is 100%. Total East region data also 100%. Every region data will be treated like 100% only. 100% only, because you can't say like how much data is there in the Hyderabad means 100%. But there, what about the consumer, corporate and home office? For example, in the West area, total data is 100%. Out of that, consumers are occupying how many sales? Corporate are occupying how much sales? Home officers are occupying how many sales? Okay, so each segment of people, according to the percentage, how much they are occupying. What you will do? There is a legend option here. Give the segment to the legend. See, give the segment to the legend. So blue color, dark blue is there, light blue is there, orange is there. Go to this one, click on it. On the data labels, see, on the data labels, you can see here. What is the meaning of it? See, the total data in the West area is 100%. Out of 100%, 100% sales, out of 100% sales in the West area, 50% of the sales are coming from consumer, 31.13% of the sales are coming from corporate, 18.85 sales are coming from 18.85 sales are coming from
Home office.
home office. So percentages. So instead of representing, if you want to see their values, sir, in the West area, total sales are how much? Out of total sales, consumers are how doing, corporate is doing, home office what they are doing means you go with this one, stacked bar chart. But I want to do the percentages here. Out of total 100% data in the West area, how much percentage of the sales are coming from consumer, corporate and home office? Very simple. The reverse of it, what? Guys, tell me. For example, if I select this visualization, if I just Control V, if I paste it here, if I click on this one, what happens? It will reverse or not? Simply, it will reverse. Simply, it will reverse. So if you want to do any makeup, let's say here, 100% percentage, 100% bar chart. Okay, we can rename this one also. Where what you can rename? 100% column chart. Okay, so do the makeup. If you want to do makeup here or in this or this one, you can do the makeup. Go to the makeup area. X-axis values, sir, I want to increase little bit. I want to bold them. I want to change to Vardhana. Okay, and x-axis is there. So values I want to increase little bit. I want to change them to Vardhana. Okay, next one, data labels are there. So data labels are there, fine. Title also please on. See, titles also on. If you want to do background or light color, you can give anything, any color. You need to go there. Normally you need to go. You need to use all the options and you need to check what they are doing. Okay, this is 100% data. So that is the power of first 6 visualizations. So stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, 100% stacked bar chart, 100% stacked column chart. Column chart and bar chart. Total 6 visualizations along with the mathematics, pure mathematics. So if you have any queries still here, you can ask me. Have any queries, you can ask me. Clear, all of you? There are a lot of
Yes,
charts
sir.
that we need. There are a lot of charts we need to target. Yeah. So next, in the next section, I'm going to teach you line chart, area chart, comparison with the two y-axis, not only one y-axis, two y-axis, and this is also clustered y-axis representation. A ribbon chart, you can see with the ribbon chart, corner chart, scatter plot, pie chart, donut chart, tree map. Maps has been completed, number is completed, slicer option. After that, we'll do the table is there, matrix is there, slicer is there. And also after that, we have the Power Query. So after completing the Power Query, we have something like a DAX operation, like model views. So a lot of things are there. We'll discuss one by one. Clear not till here, guys? Everyone? Okay. I will save the sheets and I will upload to the drive. You can check it there. So where it is. Yeah, here. I want to change class to dot. Okay. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this sheet I will upload to the drive. Please check it there and do practice.
Yes.
Okay. This one also, theoretical file also I will upload. Check it there. See you tomorrow, guys.
Thank you, sir.